Hi everyone, I'm Ossie Levi, inventor of the Slique Facial Hair Threader. I want to congratulate you and thank you for purchasing Slique. By following the simple instructions on this DVD, you'll find Slique extremely efficient for removing your excess facial and body hair. Threading has always been a great, safe and fast way to remove unwanted hair. It first became popular in Asia. Recently, it has become trendy in Europe and the United States. Threading salons are popping up everywhere, and more women are getting hooked on it. I always say that once you've experienced threading, you'll never return to the other hair removal methods you've tried before. Threading has a lot of advantages. It's precise, it's fast, and it's clean. Plus, it doesn't irritate the skin, like waxing or depilatory creams. With Slique, you can enjoy the threading experience and have the confidence of knowing that you can now keep your skin silky and hair-free without going to a salon. You're about to experience the Slique mystique. Let's get started.